Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silvanus. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your website on a daily basis. Backupping your website is a very important aspect of owning a website. Something can happen either on the server or your hosting provider, or a hack occur, or you do some silly mistakes on when you are updating one or two, either the plugin, or you make some wrong changes. So I'm going to show you create how to create a backup, how to make an automatic backup on a daily basis, both your WordPress website files and your database files. Okay, let's get into my dashboard. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard, go to your backend of your website. To go to your backend of the website, you need to type your website URL, like what I'm my own page. So I will type /WP, and it take me to a login form where I have to log in with the admin details. Okay, once you log in, you now go to your dashboard, and that is the backend of your website. Once you are there, what you need to do is to install a plugin. To install a plugin, you just need to click on this icon here and click on plugin and click on add new. I'm doing this using my phone, so that's okay. And type on the search field here, you type backup, and a bunch of plugins will come out like this. What you need to do is to install the first one, which is called UpdraftPlus WordPress backup plugin. Okay, just install that one. Okay, once the installation is completed, you click on activate to activate the plugin to start running. Activated storyline again, and click on scroll down to where you see settings. You click on settings and you scroll down to where you see updraft backup. You click on it. Okay, once you are there, what you need to do now is to configure the plugin. You need to click on settings and you select the schedule time frame. Okay, in my own case, I want to make it to be on a daily basis, and the backup files you need to retain is 7. That is like backupping it every day for 7 good days. Like, keep creating a backup files every day for 7 good days. After 7 good days, the rest you will go on, and you keep piling up. Okay, I will also do the same for database. I will create 7. Okay, I will scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes to save the changes. After you are done with that, now you need to select your cloud storage. You need to select your cloud storage where your website files and the database files are going to be kept. There are a bunch of cloud storage here where you can connect to store your website files. Okay, now I will go ahead to select Google Drive. Since Google Drive is free to use, you don't need to pay a dime for to make use of the space. Okay, I will click on Google Drive. When I click on Google Drive, you can see there that what you selected is Google Drive. Now what you need to do is to sign in. Okay, you sign in with your Google account, where you will be prompt to leave the page I will go ahead to leave. Okay, now what you need to do is just to select your Google account. I will go ahead to use another account. Okay, let me just, I will type the I will type the Google account I wish to use. Okay, type nct.wallet. Okay, once you are done with inputting your mm, account details, like you just click on next. Okay, you can see that I have you want to have access to this information. I will click on allow. Okay, I will also click on this complete setup. Okay, voila, I'm good to go. So that is just how to do that. So on a daily basis, your website files, both your website files and your website install on your Google Drive, and if anything happens, you can restore your website. If anything happened bad, like you make a mistake or your website is down or the hosting provider, just any or you anything that happened that you want to go back to a particular space, a particular stage that you were a particular backup, you can do that. I will be making another video on how to restore your website in case anything happen. So be assured that your website is going to be backup on a daily basis. Both your website files and the website database are going to be backup on a daily basis. That is just how to do that. You can go ahead and create a manual backup by just hitting this button for now, for to create a manual backup immediately, and after the next 24 hours another backup will be created, and you keep counting. So, and those backup are not stored on your website hosting, your web hosting provider, uh, web hosting provider storage. They are rather stored on your Google Drive. So thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video. I also consider liking this video and sharing it with your community, which will go a long way of helping them to secure their website, because backup is a very important aspect of owning a website. Thanks. Bye for now.